Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, my name is Baris, and on this channel we share everything about wet wipe production, industry trends, and business opportunities. Are you looking for an innovative way to produce wet wipes in a compact and efficient setup? Do you want to stay ahead of the competition in 2025? Well, today we're introducing one of the biggest trends in wet wipe production, the Extra Mini Wet Wipe Making Machine. Stay tuned as we break down everything you need to know about this powerful yet compact machine that produces 8 to 12 wipes per pack. If you're in the wet wipe business or planning to enter the market, make sure to subscribe to our channel for expert insights on wet wipe production. And don't forget to hit the like button. It helps us bring you more valuable content. Segment 1. What is the Extra Mini Wet Wipe Making Machine? So, what exactly is the Extra Mini Wet Wipe Making Machine? As the name suggests, this is a compact, high-efficiency machine designed to produce mini wet wipe packs, typically containing 8 to 12 wipes per pack. The demand for small, travel-friendly, and individually wrapped wet wipes is increasing in 2025, making this machine a game-changer in the industry. Key features of the Extra Mini Wet Wipe Making Machine: small footprint, perfect for small and medium-scale businesses. Efficient cutting and folding mechanism. Fast production speed with lower operational costs. Compatible with various wet wipe materials, biodegradable, antibacterial, and fragrance-infused wipes. Minimal maintenance and easy-to-operate touchscreen system. If you're wondering how this machine compares to larger industrial machines, stay with me, we'll cover that in a moment. Segment 2. Why is this machine trending in 2025? One of the key reasons behind this machine's popularity is the rising demand for compact hygiene solutions. Let's take a look at some industry trends. Travel and convenience. Consumers want portable hygiene solutions for offices, travel, gyms, and public spaces. Hotels, airlines, and restaurants are switching to smaller, single-use wet wipes instead of bulky packs. Sustainability and eco-friendly demand. With increased regulations on plastic waste, many brands are shifting to biodegradable wet wipes. The mini-size format reduces waste per pack, making it a more sustainable option. Cost-effectiveness for startups. The Extra Mini machine offers an affordable entry point for new businesses. It requires lower energy consumption and minimal labor, making it ideal for small-scale manufacturers. These three factors, convenience, sustainability, and cost-effectiveness, are why this machine is becoming a top choice for wet wipe manufacturers worldwide. Segment 3. How does the machine work? Now, let's get into the technical side. How does this machine actually work? Step-by-step process. Raw material loading. The machine uses non-woven fabric rolls that are cut and folded automatically. Folding and cutting mechanism. The fabric is folded into 8 to 12 layer sheets, then precisely cut. Liquid dosing system. The wipes are infused with premixed solutions, antibacterial, skincare, or refreshing formulas. Packaging and sealing. Wipes are packed into small sachets or resealable pouches. One of the best features of this machine is that it can be customized for different wipe sizes, thicknesses, and formulations. Segment 4. Who should invest in this machine? If you're wondering whether this machine is right for you, let's break it down. This machine is perfect for small and medium businesses. If you're just starting or expanding your product line, this machine keeps production costs low. Cosmetic and skincare brands can easily produce makeup remover wipes, skincare-infused wipes, and eco-friendly cleansing wipes. Hygiene and cleaning product manufacturers, this machine is great for disinfecting wipes and travel-friendly sanitizing wipes. Hotels, airlines, and gyms, businesses needing custom-branded wet wipes for their customers. If you're in one of these categories, this machine could be the perfect investment for 2025 and beyond. Segment 5. Final thoughts and how to get started. The Extra Mini Wet Wipe Machine is a smart investment for businesses looking to produce cost-effective, eco-friendly, and high-demand wet wipes. With consumer preferences shifting towards compact and sustainable options, Now is the perfect time to invest in this technology. Want to learn more? Hit the like button if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel for a full educational series on wet wipe production. For more details, contact us on WhatsApp, link in the description. Stay ahead of the competition. Let's innovate the wet wipe industry together.